What's going on, guys? Markie Williams from the YouTube channel Online Certification Course. Here, check out this tutorial in regards to food safety, food handling, food prep, and how to set up a process and all that through the HACCP certification course. Sooner or later, the FDA is going to come in, check these food establishments out, and see if each individual employee is certified in food safety. So go ahead and check it out. The links will be down in the description below. Make sure you subscribe, like, and now let's get into the intro. Food safety is going to be at the all-time high in the coming future for the food and beverage industry, which consists of fast food and fine dining and catering events. So while the cost is still fairly low to be certified, it's the right time to do so. Hey, what's going on? This is Markie Williams and welcome to my channel, Online Certification Courses. Enjoy the tutorial and the links will be down in the description below along with the bonus links as well. Please make sure you like if this tutorial was informative, subscribe so you won't miss out on any training courses you may want to pick up. Also, comment below as to what you would like to get certified in, and I can send you a link personally to check out. So let's get started. The HACCP online training course teaches you about characteristics and applications of a hazard analyst and critical control point, which is HACCP Plan. Keep in mind the course complies with the FDA codes and the USDA requirements for the school district HACCP Plan implementation. You'll learn how to apply technology and science to plan, control, and document safe food processes at your seafood, dairy, juice, or other kind of food service facility. At the top tier level, this online course covers principles and concepts behind HACCP Plan, how to identify chemical, biological, and physical hazards, facility cleaning and food processes, as well as personal hygiene, how HACCP is applied to an active managerial control, or AMC. You will learn how to determine which hazards are significant risk, write and validate adequate controls for those hazards, write a food safety management plan that provides an appropriate level of protection for customers, train and supervise employees to perform these duties that strives for zero customer illness or injuries during the life of the business. Some of the lessons you will learn is cleaning and preventive maintenance of the equipment, which is more than just wiping them down. You will learn how to inspect parts for wear and tear, cracks, and misses pieces. You will learn how to clean properly to the important parts and pieces to avoid contamination to food batches. Personal hygiene of your co-workers. Are they sick? Have a cold, fever? Are they groomed properly? Food supplies for the business. Are they being kept in the proper storage? Are the dry foods being kept in a temperature controlled environment? Or the cold foods being stored in a cold storage and at the right temperature. There will be a 4-part lesson on biological hazards, such as salmonella and where it is commonly found in, which could be eggs, poultry, meat, cheese, fruits and vegetables, spices, and nuts. Also creating a food safety management plan for the business. Learn how to tie HACCP in with existing programs in your facility for positive audit results and increased consumer confidence. With HACCP training, you work towards certification goals and learn how to properly develop and implement HACCP plans. HACCP training is beneficial to food safety team members, quality control, quality assurance, and food safety managers, team leaders, and line supervisors. Many thanks for taking some time to check my tutorial out. The links will be in the description below. Please subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out on any training certification courses you may want to pick up. As always, hit the like button if you find this tutorial informative so I can continue making more content. Comment below as to what you would like to get certified in and I can send you a link personally to check out. Please also feel free to browse through the links and check out some of the other certification courses you may want to take up. Many thanks once again. It's Markie Williams and I'm out.